maximizing clip-worthy content, quick tips for video recording. Hey there, fantastic creators! Today, I'm excited to share some quick tips to level up your video recordings and make extracting those catchy clips a piece of cake. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Before hitting that record button, here are 5 key tips that will not only enhance your overall video but also give you a treasure trove of compelling clips to work with. Tip number 1, clear messaging. First up, let's talk about the importance of clear messaging. Before you start recording, identify the main message or key points you want to convey. A crystal clear message sets the stage for impactful quotes. Tip number 2, use timestamps. Now let's get technical. While recording, make a note of important moments using timestamps. This simple practice will save you time and make it a breeze to locate those golden nuggets later on. Tip number 3, engaging intros and summaries. Captivate your audience from the get-go with a compelling introduction. Wrap things up with a concise summary to leave a lasting impression. These sections often house the most memorable and shareable content. Tip number 4, avoid overlapping speech. Clean audio is key. Avoid talking over each other and minimize background noise. A clean recording not only enhances the overall quality, but also makes it easier to extract impactful quotes. Tip number 5, highlight anecdotes. Stories stick. Incorporate anecdotes and examples that resonate with your audience. These storytelling moments can be extracted as standalone clips, creating shareable and engaging content. And there you have it, 5 tips to turn your video recordings into a quote mining gold mine. Practice these and soon you'll be creating videos that not only delivers your main message, but also provide a wealth of clip-worthy content. Happy recording, and until next time, stay creative!